all, this is Ashish Kal here. Welcome to Ashish Kal Trading Gurukul learning series by wavestrategy.com. So let me very quickly explain you about the mentorship program which is happening on 20th of November, starting from 20th of November. And this time it is mentorship season 2, which focuses on timing the market. See, timing the market is a very important aspect when you are a trader, because the trading depends exactly on when you enter the market and how you exit. So what is different in mentorship season 2 is we are going to do a lot of concepts that we have already done in mentorship season 1, the similar concepts, and how to take a trade, how to look at candlesticks, how to start. If you are a fresher, you can do that. If you are already an experienced trader, you can do that. So looking at every aspect of a that goes in the mind of a trader is what we are going to do, which we are anyways doing. But this time we are also going to be building up more on timing tools, because I have been doing intense research on that for the period of nearly 10 to 12 years or more than that, and I want to give that across to you now. So this research has been simply fabulous, and we have done that in our Master of Cycles program, and you can clearly see what many of the people have talked about, the way they traded Tata Motors post the Master of Cycles. They traded Tata Motors and the stock is up 30% after the program was done. And on 9th and 10th of October, we concluded that, and from 11, Tata Motors rallied sharply on the upside. And we discussed about why the time was correct for that stock to go up. We talked about Bank Nifty cycles, and Bank Nifty cycles bottomed out. We talked about it that it is going to bottom out on a Tuesday at 11:30, and it bottomed out there, and Bank Nifty rallied by 1,000 points from there. So we talked about ITC, and the IT stock up by nearly 4% in a single day after that, when it was supposed to bottom. So the point I am trying to make is, these participants of Master of Cycles, if you are one of them, you might have witnessed something so super that this works, right? And in just 2 days of time, I've made you realize you are going to change the way you see the market, the way it works. It's simply fabulous. तो मेंटरशिप जो हम करने वाले हैं, जो नवंबर 20 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, ये 3 महीने का होगा. इट्स अ 3 months प्रोग्राम. We are going to meet every Saturdays. You are going to be 3 Saturdays in a month. We are going to meet. You will be a part of option trading using technical analysis, which is a different module we are launching. You will be a part of that. You will be a part of Master of Waves that we are going to conduct, and we will be focusing a lot on timing the market. So this time the focus is on how to take the trades. You looking at these different aspects of options, looking at timing the market, and you will be a part of Master of Cycles as well. तो यहाँ पर आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने मिलेगा, which is simple step by step process, so that you will be eventually able to trade yourself. I'm going to be trading along with you. We are going to have live trading sessions. We are going to select stocks together for momentum trade. We are going to look at how to select multi-bagger stocks to create a portfolio. All of those things in a systematic fashion. Now the next question that comes to your mind would be whether you will be able to do it or not. You don't have any doubts in my skills and capabilities. As you know, I am an author of a book. I have trained thousands of people, but you might doubt that whether you will get it or not. Once you become a mentee, okay, it's my responsibility there to ensure that you are able to understand it very clearly, you are able to apply it in a systematic fashion, and you are able to derive trades out of it. It does not matter whether you are a fresher, you are a housewife, you already have a full-time job, you want to quit your job and do this as a trading as a full-time opportunity. You can do that, and that is I'm confident on, because I have done it for many of my mentees and they have done fabulously well. And this is possible. It's only that you need to get that disciplined approach. So discipline बहुत important है, और ये disciplined approach हम as a compulsive habit जो हमारी होती है वो break down करना है, and that can happen only over the period of 3 to 4 months. And in that, even after that period, I'm going to be in touch with you. We will have periodical interactions so that you are able to ask questions that you might have, challenges that you are facing, and keep learning and growing. So the association is for the lifetime. It's not just for 3 to 4 months of time, and I'm always available for every mentee if you want to understand anything that you have think that is not working out for you. It's just that you have to take that step. You need to understand the market movement. You have to understand how to derive the trade and how to time it well. So are you with me for this wonderful journey on mentorship program? The early bird is ending on 25th of October. You need to ensure you register before that 25th October if you want to get the most of it. And also, as soon as you register, we are going to share across 15 bonus videos plus access to master of technical analysis recording plus access to master of cycles, so that your learning starts now and not by 20th November. So the learning starts immediately as soon as you are a part of this program, and it's going to be a wonderful journey. Trust me on that, and we have done it fabulously well. If you follow me on Twitter, I've been tweeting about every single move of Nifty with time. Don't you want to do it yourself? Don't you want to time the market correctly and spend most of your time with your family rather than spending it, working 12, 14 hours a day? So that is a possibility when you are a trader and you can make it big. Okay. And the markets are highly conducive in the current environment where the techniques are working like magic. So be a part of this amazing, wonderful, and magical tool and get on board for the mentorship program. I'll be more than happy to answer your queries or doubts if you have any. And you can reach out to us on 9920422202. This is Ashish Gal signing off. See you. And once you get on board, I'm going to interact with you personally because I want to understand your trading style, and then we will take it forward from November onwards. Thank you very much and see you soon.